model with an all aluminium body, which is supposed to give you 33% faster charging. Now this also came with a large and small strap included in the box. So here it is, guys, the new Apple Watch Series 7 41mm library of watch faces that you can play with different complications. They are all customizable.
Opens like a present, so that's pretty neat. Here's the watch itself, and here's the watch band for the cactus. It's hard to call with the white band, but my wife also wanted the cactus one, so so the band doesn't open. That color is, I mean, cactus would make me think green, but it's definitely not green, almost like a dark teal. You know, it came with a white band, but again, she had the white band last time. Oh, I guess there is an easier way to open this. There's a little, other than this little red line here. This is a slightly bigger watch face. This is 38mm, this is 40mm.